Hey everyone! Welcome back to Erudition Tutorials. Today, we'll be tackling a key diagram-based question from the chapter Cell Division and Structure of Chromosomes in your ICSE Class 10 Biology syllabus. This is one of the most crucial topics for your exam, so let's make sure you understand it clearly. Here's the question we'll be discussing today. Name the parts labeled 1, 2, and 3. 2. Identify the above stage and provide a reason to support your answer. 3. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs. 4. Name the stage prior to this one and draw a diagram to represent it. Let's start with questions 1. Name the parts labeled 1, 2, and 3. The answer for label 1 is the aster with astral rays, which includes the centriole. This structure plays an essential role in organizing the microtubules during cell division. The centrioles help in the formation of spindle fibers, which guide the movement of chromosomes as the cell divides. Label 2 points to the spindle fibers, which are responsible for pulling apart the chromosomes during cell division. These fibers ensure that the chromosomes are evenly divided between the two daughter cells, making them crucial for the accurate distribution of genetic material. Label 3 shows the daughter chromosomes, which are the chromosomes moving towards opposite poles of the cell after they've been split. This movement is essential for ensuring that each new cell gets an identical set of chromosomes. 2. Identify the above stage and provide a reason to support your answer. Answer is late anaphase. And the reason is splitting of chromosomes occurs, and the daughter chromosomes are moving towards opposite poles of the cell. This movement is a defining feature of anaphase. Third question. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs. The answer is somatic cells. These are the body's regular cells, where mitosis occurs to help with growth, repair, and maintenance. Next question 4. Name the stage before this one and draw a diagram to represent it. Answer is metaphase, in which the chromosomes align at the cell's equator, preparing for the separation that happens in anaphase. This alignment ensures that each new cell will receive an equal number of chromosomes, which is critical for healthy cell division. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the topic better. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future updates. Feel free to leave your questions and feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.